Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you need a vacuum that adapts to your cleaning in real time, especially when pets leave a trail behind, meet the SHARK PowerDetect Cordless Pet Vacuum Cleaner IP1251UKT with advanced suction control, Cordless Freedom, and tools made specially for homes with pets. This vacuum is designed to keep your space clean without slowing you down. What makes the PowerDetect IP1251UKT different from other cordless vacuum? It is powered by PowerDetect Technology, which intelligently adjusts suction based on the debris it detects, so you get the right power exactly where you need it. Whether you are tackling a scatter of crumbs on the hard floor or fine dust in the carpet, it is equipped with SHARK anti-hair wrap Brushroll, a self-cleaning system that actively removes hair from the brush as you clean, perfect for pet owners who know the hassle of cutting tangled strands. This model features up to 60 minutes of run time with 2 interchangeable batteries. Run time varies depending on the mode, so you can clean your whole home without rushing or waiting on a recharge. The LED display keeps you informed of your power level and mode at a glance, so you are always in control. Weighing in at just 4.11 kilograms, the IP1251UKT vacuum is engineered for everyday use. It converts easily from an upright stick to a handheld unit, great for upholstery, stairs, cars, and tight corners. The included Turbo Pets tool digs into fabric and carpet fibers to lift stubborn pets' hair and dander with ease. The vacuum comes with a crevice tool, multi-surface tool, and a wall charging dock, all designed to make cleaning faster and more efficient. Whether you are freshening up after pets or doing a deep weekend cleaning, plus anti-allergen complete seal technology traps dust and allergy inside the vacuum, making it a solid option for households that need to manage airborne particles. Its 0.7-liter dustbin is easy to empty and designed for hygienic disposal with touch of a button, and with a flexible wand that bends under furniture. There is no need to move heavy piece just to get a complete clean. This SHARK PowerDetect IP1251UKT is best suited for pet owners who need consistent, tangle-free cleaning, busy households where a cordless vacuum with a smart suction save time and effort, and for those who want powerful handheld performance for sofas, cars, and stairs, as well as full floor cleaning. And also anyone looking for modern features like LED display, flexible reach, and extended run time without cuts. If you are comparing it to traditional stick vacuums, SHARK PowerDetect gives you adaptive power that you don't get from standard fixed suction cordless model. If you are ready to clean smarter, not harder, the SHARK PowerDetect Cordless Pet Vacuum Cleaner IP1251UKT brings together flexibility, power, and pet-focused innovation in one compact unit. Let us know in the comment what is the toughest mess SHARK will be cleaning in your home. This vacuum deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed